Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use keyframe on your video in Capcut PC. So you can see this is the interface of Capcut PC. So what you need to do, you need to drag and drop here, or you can make it here, and after that select your clip, okay, and then choose the part, which part you want to make it keyframe. So I just keep it line here, and you have to select here, and after that go to video and basic, and then transform. So you can see this is the option, okay. So simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you can see there is a rectangular symbol, but you have to uh, brought it here, okay, pull it here, and again uh, click here. So now you have to increase the title, increase the things, okay. But now if you want to see what happened, then go and just play the video. So from this is start, and it will be uh, finished here in second keyframe, and after that it will be stable. But if you want to, okay, if you want to make it in the feed position, then okay, just okay, just I just keep it here and make another keyframe, and I just fit it. So you can here 100%, okay, 100%, and then you can make it fit, okay. So if you want to check what happened, then you can say this is the last one, and after that it will reducing and fit the, yeah. So this is the basic tutorial. If you want to, like, you can blend, you can uh, stabilized, you can relay it. So there are many blur. This is advanced level. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.